Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about installing security certificates on your Samsung smartphone. So if you have an SD card and you have the certificates already on there ready to go, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys the process of how you would go about installing them. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the security and privacy tile. And then scroll down again underneath other settings where it says more security and privacy, autofill, notifications, and more. And then scroll down again underneath where it says security, select the encryption and credentials tile. And then there's an option that says install a certificate, install certificates from an SD card. Go ahead and select that. At this point, you can select what type of certificate you're looking to install, whether it's a CA certificate, a VPN and app user certificate, or a Wi-Fi certificate. Go ahead and select them from the list, and then you would go about actually uploading it directly here. And that's pretty much all you have to do. You can retrieve the file, and then you would be able to upload and install it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.